In this video, I'm going to conduct a McNemar's test using Intellectus Statistics. Once the data is in, go down to the analyses and click on non-parametrics and then the McNemar's test. And then I'll select the first variable, diagnosis pre, and then the final diagnosis, diagnosis post, and click calculate. Here you can see that the results were significant, and then we start drilling into each one. So for diagnosis pre, the proportion of negative was greater in the dead category of diagnosis post than in the alive category of diagnosis post. And the proportion of positive was greater in the dead category of diagnosis post than in the alive category of diagnosis post. And then there's a drill down for the diagnosis post. There's an APA table. You simply come up here, download the document, and that's how you conduct the McNemar's in Intellectus.